So I have built up the circuit, I have written a code, I have understood a code, what the code is about, I have simulated it, it is working. Now if I want to know the schematic view, I will go in the schematic, I will see how actually the schematic is. Okay, after that, now if I want to know what are the components required, now if I want to build up this circuitry on a hardware, if I want to test this LED blinking on the hardware, I should know what are the components required to build it on a hardware, or what are the components required to test it on a hardware, right? So for that I will check the component list. Okay, so these are the components which are required to build a circuitry to blink a LED. You will require one Arduino, one resistor and one LED. Simple. Now here you have an option to download it. So for each experiment, why I am repeating this, for each experiment what you need to do is, while completing a write up, you need to create a PDF with your diagram, with your circuitry, with your schematic, with the list of a component. Okay, you can download it or you can attach a print also, it's up to you. Okay, so download PDF, the PDF of your circuitry will be downloaded. Is it clear? So this is just about the common cathode. If same I want to build with the common anode, how to build it? So I will make a change in the same. If I want to, just I will create a different one so that you don't get confused. Just a minute. This is for common cathode, I will say. Now same, if I want to build as a common anode, how to do it? Again go in a create circuit. So create a circuitry, new circuitry. Again go in the basic Arduino board. Select the blinking of Arduino circuitry, place it over here, give the name LED interfacing with common anode. Okay, so how to do it? I will delete these connections, previous connections, because now my digital pin will be connected to cathode and my anode will be connected to VCC, right? So this is the cathode which will be connected to my 13th pin and anode will be connected to VCC. Right? Now in this the code will remain same because only I am changing the logic. I am not changing any physical connection. Only what I am going to do is 13th पिन को ही मेरा कनेक्टेड है, जो भी पिन है एक्टिव पिन है जिसको मुझे इनपुट जिस पे मुझे आउटपुट चेक करना है वो पिन नंबर सेम है. So my code will not change. My 13th pin will only work as a digital input output pin. Only the way of connection is being changed for the LED. So there will be no change in code. And as I said, you can write a name of that 13th pin as LED built-in, or you can write a number. So this is only for the 13th pin. If you have connected LED to the 12th pin, then you have to write a number. I will connect to 11th. Okay, then here you have to make a change. You have to make a change, that is pin number 11 instead of LED built-in. Write that pin number to which you have connected your anode or a cathode, depending upon the way of your connection, whether it is common anode or common cathode. Is it clear everyone? And say start simulation. See, it's blinking. Now here, if I want to see the schematic view of it, first I will say stop simulation. I will check the schematic. See, it is different. than the previous one, because here now this is a common anode type of a connection. In the previous it was common cathode type of connection. Is there any doubt in understanding this schematic? It's a simple. Just here there is a circuitry view, and here it is a schematic that the pin number to which you have connected your LED is shown. 11th pin को connect किया है आपने, right? To 11th pin you have connected a cathode and anode is connected to your VCC. And the components. Is it clear, everyone? So these are the steps followed for each of this circuitry. So this is the basic of LED blinking. Now if I want to check, just a minute. So if I want to connect a switch now, what I need to do is, switch is your input device, right? So for the input device we need to read the values from the input device. So we will use which function? Digital read function. Instead of digital write function I will use digital read function, right? Just a minute. Now how to deal with the next design? So is there any doubt to deal with the LED interfacing? So you can create a pattern by connecting multiple LEDs. Only you have to take care that while connecting LEDs, each digital input output pin can be connected only to one LED. Okay? Multiple LEDs cannot be connected, or we cannot provide different signals through to the multiple LEDs at the same time through one digital pin. Okay, this is not possible. So while creating a pattern, either you can use multiple pins, multiple if I want to use 4 LEDs to create a pattern, then I will use 4 digital input output pins to place to show the output in the pattern format, right? So is there any doubt in LED इंटरफेसिंग में कोई डाउट है किसी को? Yes or no? So you will everyone should complete each and every experiment of LED, right? And I will evaluate it on the TinkerCad. If yet you have not joined the class, please join it and submit your, I'm going to create a Google Classroom also, so that you can submit it on a online mode also, and also I will get check from the in the labs in your write-up. So there will be two types of submission for this. I will take hard copy also, and I will take a submission in online on the Google Classroom also.